How to add a collaborator to a Spotify playlist. This tutorial shows you how to invite someone to collaborate on your playlist on your Android device. First, open the Spotify app on your Android device. After that, tap on Your Library at the bottom of the screen. From there, find and tap on the playlist you want to add a collaborator to. At this point, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the playlist to open the Options menu. In the next step, tap on Invite Collaborators from the list of options. Following this, a shareable invite link will be generated for your playlist. Once done, tap on Copy Link or share it directly through WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other app to send it to the person you want to collaborate with. From here, once they tap the link and accept the invitation, they will be added as a collaborator. Finally, they will now be able to add and remove songs from your playlist just like you can. And that's it. If this Spotify guide helped you add a collaborator to your playlist, give it a like. Subscribe for more Spotify tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.